Hello everyone. Again, we are back under ECQ. At dahil doon, we hope and pray na through the power of the internet and with the help of technology, sana makarating pa rin sa inyo itong ating mga video lessons, ang inyong mga worksheets. At sana kapag nakarating nga ito sa inyo, na panood nyo, nabasa nyo, sana kayo ay safe. At of course, sana malayo kayo sa anumang klase ng sakit. Okay, also, para sa ating second week, it is cut short, ano? So, because we are celebrating Holy Week. So, it is a time, meron tayong break, a time to spend with our family, also a time to reflect, and of course, to give thanks and praise to our Lord. Ayan. But, ganun pa man, ito, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po tayo, tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo. Our journey continues, ano man po ang sitwasyon natin. We could always find time for us to learn and for us to develop ourselves. Kaya ito, let's begin with our second week topic, which is none other than triangles. Let us proceed. So, for the third grading, binigyan tayo ng introduction for mathematical systems. So, may idea na kayo kung anong undefined terms, defined terms, axioms and postulates, and of course, theorems. Don't worry, no? So, as we move forward, mai-encounter nyo itong mga to, kaya lalo nyo silang mauunawaan. Lalo-lalo na yung mga postulates and theorems. Okay? Nung first part natin, diniscuss natin yung three undefined terms. So, please remember na itong tatlong to, no? Yung point, line, and plane. Kapag malinaw na kasi sa inyo yung concept ng tatlong to, ay madali nyo lalong mauunawaan yung ating mga defined terms. At dito kasi umiikot yung ating mga postulates and theorems. Okay? Kaya, very important po itong tatlong to. So, before we actually start with the discussion on triangles, dagdagan pa natin ang inyong geometry vocabulary, okay? Mag-discuss pa tayo ng more defined terms. So, yung line segment na discuss na to last time. So, quick review lang. A line segment is a section or a part of a line with two endpoints. So, very easy lamang siya. We have this illustration. We have yung initial point at saka yung endpoint niya. Okay, so pinangalanan natin siyang AB, line segment AB. Ayan po, na. Okay, so how about array? Okay, array starts from one point and extends infinitely in the other direction. So, ayan, let's have one point. Okay, and then yung isa, extends daw infinitely. So, tuloy-tuloy ito. Kaya naman, arrow yung kabilang dulo. Okay? So, how do we name array? So, ganun pa rin po. We begin with the endpoint. Okay? We have point A. And then, mag-assign tayo ng isa pang point. So, here we have point B. So, we call this ray AB. So, kung mapapansin nyo, same lamang siya. But, of course, yung symbol dito is also the same as yung illustration ng isang ray. Okay? How about an angle? An angle is formed when two rays share an endpoint. So, yan, meron tayong endpoint, and then, let's have one ray here, and another ray here. Ayan. So, dalawang rays na, ayan, meron siyang common endpoint. So, yung common endpoint, tinatawag natin yung vertex. Okay, so, paano natin siya bibigyan ng pangalan? Again, let us take 2 points on each ray. So, mayroon isa dito, at isa din dito. Okay, let's give them capital letters. This is point A, point B, yung ating vertex, and then point C, ito yung isa pa dun sa isang ray. Okay, so we call this angle ABC. Ang kailangan lang tandaan po, kung ano yung nasa gitna, ito po. Kung ano yung nasa gitna, yun dapat ang ating vertex. Okay, so ma'am, pwede po ba siyang tawaging angle CBA? Yes. Okay, again, as long as nasa gitna yung vertex. Kaya lamang po, kalimitan, so it is a good practice na kapag nagpapangalan tayo, alphabetical. for uniformity rin po kasi yun. So, halimbawa, isa lang yung kailangang sagot. O, diba? Kung if we follow na alphabetical siya, at syempre, nasa gitna yung vertex, pare-pareho tayong sagot na angle ABC. But, angle CBA is also a correct answer. Okay? So, ayan. Ito muna example, then let's move on to triangles na. So, if for example, you have this image or this illustration, this figure, ayan. At sinabi, can you identify the points on this figure? Ayan po, lahat lang po nito. We have point W, point X, point Y, and point Z. Okay, how about the lines? Okay, we have here, ito po, dapat na ang magkabilang dulo ay arrows. So, we have line WY. Pwede rin natin siyang tawaging line XY. Di ba po? We only need 2 points to name a line. So, point X is also along this line. Kaya pwede rin natin siyang tawaging line XY. Pwede rin natin siyang tawaging line WX. Pero again, pag sinulat natin to, don't forget yung symbol dun sa itaas para alam ko ano siya, ano ba siya, line ba siya, line segment ba siya, ray, and so on. Okay, so hindi ko na sinulat dito yung mga line segment. Kasi as long as we have those points, diba, ito yung points, at nakakonect siya, those are line segments. So, we could have line segment WX, we could have line segment XY, and we could also have line segment XZ. Pwede rin pong line segment WY. Okay? So, how about yung mga rays? So, ang ating endpoint lang dito is X. So, let's always begin with X, point X. So, we have ray XW, we have ray XY, and we have ray XZ. Ayan. And then, sulat natin yung symbols dun sa taas. Ayan. Ayan. Para malinaw, di ba po? To better identify, don't forget the symbols. And of course, what are our angles? So, we have angle WXZ. So, ito yan, di ba? WXZ. This one. Tadan! Pero, WXZ din po ito. Itong bigger angle. Okay? How about this one? Angle YXZ. Palitan natin ng color. YXZ. So, ito siya, no? Itong angle na to. Also, YXZ din. Ito po. Itong bigger angle. And of course, the last one is angle WXY. Ito po yung straight line. Ayan. Pwede siyang ito. Pwede po siyang this one, or itong sa kabilang side. Yan. Okay? So, ayan na. Let's proceed now to our main topic, which is triangles. What is a triangle? A triangle is a polygon with 3 edges and 3 vertices. Pero i-clear muna natin kung ano ba yung polygon. So, a polygon is composed of line segments that are connected to form a closed circuit. So, look at this one. This is a line segment. Okay? Kapag dalawa na sila, we have 2 line segments. We call this an angle. Diba? Naka-form tayo ng angle. Pero kapag tatlo na yung ating line segments, ayan, we have already formed a polygon. Okay? Kasi, kita nyo po, we have formed a closed figure. Sarado siya. Okay? So, ang least number of sides to form a polygon is 3. Okay? Now, this polygon is now called a triangle. So, may pangalan siya, na triangle. So, tri from the root word try. Prefix try, which means 3. And then, the root word is angle. Ayan, 3 angles, diba? So, we formed a triangle. So, a triangle daw has 3 edges and 3 vertices. So, ito yung ating mga vertices kung saan sila nagtagpo. So, we have one vertex here, another vertex here, and another vertex here. Kaya vertices, yun yung plural ng vertex. And then, we have 3 edges. Ayan yung ating edge. So, ang edge kasi, para madali nyo lang ma-identify, yun po yung border niya, yung border ng ating figure. So, kumbaga nga sa bahay, yun yung ating bakod. Okay? Yun yung ating edge. Ayan. So, how do we name a triangle? Using our vertices. Okay, so this is vertex A, vertex B, and vertex C. So, we call this triangle A, B, and C. ABC. Okay? So, ayan, linisin lang natin siya. Again, we have here our triangle ABC. What else do we have? Sabi nga natin, 3 angles, triangle. Okay? So, where are our 3 angles? We have angle BAC, we have angle ABC, and we have angle BCA. So, as you could see, yan, yung ating angles A, B, C. Ayan, pwede mo rin natin siyang pangalan ng angle A by means of the vertex, or pwede rin ito tawagin natin angle 1, angle B or angle 2, angle C or angle 3. Okay? So, we have 3 angles inside our triangle. So, we call these angles interior angles. Okay, bibigyan ko kayo ng ating unang theorem. We have a theorem called triangle sum theorem. Ang ibig sabihin daw nitong theorem na to, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay, dahil theorem na siya, proven na po. Okay, this statement was already proven, kaya ginagamit na po natin siya. So, ano man ang measurement itong angle 1, angle 2, at itong angle 3, kapag siya ay inad natin, so angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, ang sum nila, sorry, ang hirap talaga magsulat sa mouse, ang sum nila ay 180 degrees. Okay, gagamitin po natin yan lalo na kapag tayo ay nagme-measure na ng angles. Okay? Now, in order to help you with your learning task, ito po, we have ways to classify triangles. Ito yung isang paraan by looking at their sides. So, ito po, kapag makita nyo itong symbol na to, ibig sabihin equal siya. So, ibig sabihin ng equal, for example, if this is 7 cm, 7 cm din to. Yan. And this one is also 7 centimeters. Yan. So, kapag lahat ng sides niya ay congruent, ang tawag doon ay equilateral triangle. Kapag dalawa lang po ang pareho, kata niyo po, itong dalawa kasi pareho. Isang line lang. Ito, dalawa. Ibig sabihin, iba yung sukat nito. So, again, 7 pa rin. Lagay natin. Bawa, 7 cm to, 7 cm to. If the third side is 8 cm, ayan. So, dalawa lang po yung pareho, we call this an isosceles triangle. Kapag, ayan po, wala pong pareho, di ba? This is, isa lang siya, dalawa, tatlo, lahat sila magkakaiba. So, if this is 6, if this is 7, and if this is 8, magkakaiba siya, we call this a scalene triangle. Okay, before we proceed dun sa second type of classification ng triangles, kailangan muna nating maintindihan kung ano-ano yung mga different kinds of angles. So, for the first one here, pagsimula tayo dito sa gitna, okay, we call this one a right angle. Okay, kapag ang measurement ng ating angle ay 90 degrees, okay, ito yung indicator natin. Kapag meron kayo nakitang box diyan, it indicates na ang measurement niya ay 90 degrees or isa siyang right angle. Ayan. Kapag less than 90 degrees naman siya, pero greater than 0 degrees, so ibig sabihin in between siya ng 0 degrees and 90 degrees, ang tawag sa kanya acute angle. Kapag naman greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees ang kanyang measurement, we call that an obtuse angle. So, what if saktong 180 degrees siya, katulad nito? So, we call it a straight angle or similar to a straight line. Ayan. So, kaya muna natin inuna yan kasi yung second classification natin ng triangles ay by looking at their angles. So, simple lamang po na dito tayo magsimula sa dulo kasi siya yung pinakamadali. So, kapag meron tayong isang right angle, automatic, we call it a right triangle. Ayan. So, kapag meron naman siyang three acute angles like this one, kita nyo, lahat ng angles niya dito sa example ay 60 degrees, and 60 degrees is an acute angle. Ayan. So, ang tawag sa kanya, acute triangle. Ayan. So, kapag meron naman tayong isang obtuse angle, like this one, 124 degrees, we call it an obtuse triangle. So, as you can see here, sabi one obtuse angle, kasi isa lang po ang possible na obtuse angle within a triangle. Kasi nga po, ang total niya, 'di ba, based dun sa theorem, ang total ng or ang sum ng ating interior angles should be 180 degrees. So, kapag meron na tayong isang obtuse angle, imposible na po na magkaroon pa ng isa pa. Okay. So, ayan po siya. So, ayan. So, for this video lesson, you have enough information to answer your learning tasks. So, we'll see you again on the next video. Magko-continue tayo. We'll learn more about triangles. Ayan, and more about geometry. Ayan. For the meantime, habang ECQ pa tayo, we welcome all your messages, all your questions, and i-send nyo lamang po sa inyong mga teachers, sa inyong math teachers. Yan. And again, everyone, please stay at home and keep safe po tayong lahat. Thank you. Bye-bye.